Hi everyone, in this video we have grade 8, chapter 3, section 5, Inequalities, on page 106. In the other lessons we have studied equations. We said equations are those expressions that we have equal between them. The difference of the equation and inequality: in the equation we just have equal. In the inequalities we have these four signs between them: less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal. And in the equation we have only one result. One number would be the result. For example, x equals 5. Only 5 would be the result. But in the inequalities, when we solve, for example, if we say that x greater than 5, it means all those numbers which are greater than 5, like 6, 7, 8, 9 to infinity. But now for this one, it's just for the normal numbers. If you have something as a reminder for you from the last stage that you studied them, this side is greater or this side. At first, because we have minus between them, we have to solve it. 13 minus 9, 4, 6. Now it's clear that we solved this one, and this is 6. It's clear that this one is greater. So 4 is less than 6. That's how we solve. This one we have to multiply by 8, because we don't have any minus plus between them. It's multiply 6. Which one is greater, this side or this side? We have to solve, because this is 2 multiply 8 equals 16, and this side is 6. Now which one? We see that this side is greater than this one. That's if you have only numbers. How we put less than, greater than, or one of them. Which side is greater? We look at this one and we put the sign towards the greater one. Like this one is greater, we show this one. This one is greater, we show that. But if we have inequalities that we have variables inside it, for those inequalities involving the variables like x or y or anything else, we have to solve as we did for the equations. Here we have x plus 7, x plus 7 less than negative 10. This is one of the examples, and let's write another one, which is n minus 11 smaller than or equal to, less than or equal to negative 22. And if we do another one like y plus 6, y plus 6 greater than or equal to negative 3. Negative 3, not 6. For this one, nearly we solve the same way as we did for the equations. We can move numbers from one side to the other one, as we did in the equations. If we have numbers at the end with the x, we can simplify it as we did in the equations. Nearly we use the same ways as we did in the equations. Here we have x plus 7 less than negative 10. So we move positive 7 to the other side, because we need only x in one side or the other to the other side. X less than negative 10, it will be minus 7. Negative 10 minus 7, it will be negative 17. It means x is less than negative 17. Any number which is less than negative 17 would be the solution for this inequality. It can be negative 18, negative 19, negative 22, negative 25. Any number which is less than negative 17, it's the result for this inequality. Then we come to the second one, which is n minus 11 less than or equal to negative 22. Again, we do the same thing as we did, negative 11 for the other side. It will be plus 11 and the same sign that we had, negative 22 plus 11, and less than or equal to negative 22 plus 11, it will be negative 11. N is negative equals or less than negative 11. It means n can be negative 11 or any number which is less than negative 11, like negative 12, negative 13, negative 15, any number which is less than negative 11. And for the last one that we have here, y plus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 3. Again, the same way that we had, we need y only in one side and all the others in the other side. We move it, y greater than or equal to negative 3, it will be minus 6. Y greater than or equal to negative 9. Y is any number which is equal negative 9 or greater than negative 9. It can be negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, or any positive number, or 0, any number which is greater than negative 9. That's how you solve inequalities including unknown variables. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.